If you're new here, this is the place to start. I'm going to give you a quick start guide with close-up videos to show you the 3 most important things to getting the most out of your Conquering fidget jewelry. All our bases and spinners are interchangeable, allowing you to create thousands of unique combinations. To change the spinner, just push one side out and the other will follow. Click a new spinner in its place by simply reversing the process. Conquering is the only fidget ring out there that's actually proven to help with anxiety. Plus, there's more ways to fidget with it than any other ring you can find. The most popular ways to fidget are clicking and spinning. Here are a few of the most common ways to click your ring. This one is really fun. People say it's kind of like clicking a button, and you can do that on any finger. This is a great one-handed way to click the ring. Anytime you're clicking it, it's important to know that you have to brace the back. And this is probably the most popular way to click it. Finally, you should know that you can learn how to click it silently like this. Here are 2 popular ways to spin your ring. One helpful tip is to just relax your hand and avoid pinching the sides when you're spinning it. The last thing you should know is how to adjust your ring. Your spinner should always click in securely and be able to spin freely. If your spinner ever doesn't feel secure, simply give the tips a gentle squeeze. You might never need to do this, but it's a good idea to make sure you hear that crisp click so you know your spinner is securely in place. And on the flip side, if your ring ever doesn't spin well, simply pull the tips slightly apart. Our rings are waterproof and made with hypoallergenic surgical grade stainless steel, so don't worry about adjusting them. They're incredibly durable. You really can't hurt them. Okay, I just have to mention one more thing. It's not as essential as the others, but it's really near and dear to my heart, and it's honestly the reason my son and I created Conquering in the first place. And that is, each morning when you're selecting your spinner, we just hope that you'll take a few seconds to think about your day ahead and consider maybe what inspiring word spinner or maybe what crystal has properties that are things that you want to focus on in that day. We just hope that it will be that little reminder throughout your day that you took that pause and you're living with intention, and we just hope it will make you feel empowered to conquer your day. And yeah, you guessed it, that's where our name came from too.